I have a challenge for you. Go out and take a simple photograph, come back, develop the film, make a print. How many pieces of paper does it take you to get an acceptable print off of a simple photograph? Let me explain. I'm watching the World Series. Like, I shot baseball for 17 years, so I'm watching the World Series. And players go in and they haven't played in a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, but they can step right in because they've been keeping their skills up, obviously. And as photographers, I think it's an important thing to do. Can you keep your skills up so that when there's a great photo, you've kind of got the skills mastered that you can just step right in? So the challenge is to take your favorite camera. I'm going to say it's a Hasselblad 555. My favorite lens, I used the 180. That is my favorite lens. I tried it with the 120, but it was just too loose. I used the 120 the most, but the 180 is my favorite. I used an 040 B plus W 040 filter, which is orange, darkens the sky a little bit. I've been using the Kentmere 200 film quite a bit, so I'm very familiar with it currently. And so that's what I used. My favorite camera, the Hasselblad 555, my favorite lens, the 180 on a tripod, Kentmere 200 film, and I processed it in my favorite developer that I use all the time, ID11. So everything is simple. So that's the challenge. Go take a simple photo. Now, back in the dark room, can you make a print? How many sheets of paper does it take to make a print? Now, I've been using the last little while this Fomatol PW developer, paper developer, and it's makes the prints slightly warm. It's a warm tone developer, and I'm using Ilford multi-grade resin-coated warm tone paper. Again, it's a paper I've been using recently, but it's not my all-time favorite paper, but I'm not trying to use it up. It's too expensive to just use up, but that's what I did this shot with. Now, when I put the neg in my enlarger and I made my first print, 10 seconds, this is what I got. You know what? It's not so bad. And the second print, all I did was burn in the corners a little bit, which it's just fall off, I think, from the enlarger lens. But anyways, I burned in the corners. Second print, took 2 pieces of paper. Now, it's a simple photograph, so I'm not trying to make it complicated. I'm not trying to make it tough. I'm just trying to say, if you go out and take a simple photograph, how easy has it become for you? Can you just practice your skills so that when there's a great photo, an important photo, you're ready to rock? Here's the challenge. Take any camera, your favorite camera, take your favorite film, use your favorite developer, print it on your favorite enlarger, make a print on your favorite paper. How many sheets of paper does it take? No test strips. You just have to put it in and make the print. No test strips. You should have these things kind of standardized a bit. Now, things go wonky, but if it's a simple picture, you should be able to make a simple print in a couple of sheets of paper. Maybe leave in the comments how many pieces of paper it took me to. My favorite camera, Hasselblad 555, the 180 lens, 040 filter, Kentmere 200, developed in ID11, printed on this Fomatol PW warm tone paper developer with Ilford multi-grade resin-coated warm tone paper. Took me 2 pieces of paper. What's your number?